So right here, we have probably the most dangerous station of the entire week. And we have to be really vigilant during this one because there is a lot of potential for a broken arm if they are not careful. Now, everything that a ninja does is inherently a little bit dangerous. Dangerous things can be done safely, and that's what we want to educate them. We want them to do this as safely as possible. So we're going to do a safety vault over the bar. This will need to be spotted for some kids, and there will be some kids that just simply cannot do this. So we're going to have go here, step up on the bar. That's a really important skill for them, just because it's really functional to a lot of the things that kids do when they go to a playground, for example, or when they're playing at recess. It's just it's really good to have that control on something like a rail. Now, for the kids, there won't be very many, but for the kids that just cannot do it at all, what we're going to have them do is they're going to do a forward roll over the bar. And actually, that is what everybody is going to do on the second one. Or if you want, they can do, or your more advanced kids can do a pull over, and then from a front support, do a safety vault over the bar. But I want a safety vault on this one. They'll do a forward roll on this one, but your more advanced kids can do the pull over, which is essentially a backward roll on the bar, and then from a front support, do a safety vault. Here, it's just a really simple, easy peasy window escape. Not much to that one. If you want to make it harder, a really great way to make it harder is to do a window escape can also be called an underbar. They mean the same thing. You can have them jump and do it backwards. I am too big for that one, but it is challenging. So have them do a reverse window escape, an underbar. Here we're working on probably my favorite vault, the lazy vault. So it's here. The true lazy vault will swing the close foot, not this foot, but the close foot, the foot that's closest to the block, will swing over first, and that's the lazy vault. That is hard. Your good kids will be able to do that. The way the other kids are going to progress to it is simply by putting that foot on the block and walking over it like it's a crab. And what they will want to do is they will want to turn this direction. You have to make sure that I always use eyeballs on their shirt. The eyeballs on their shirt are facing one direction the whole time. And then from there, they can progress to doing it just a little bit faster and faster and faster, and then they can try to miss their feet. But it's the hand to the hand. You want their hands, starts on one hand, switches to the other one. And again, I have this right here because doing it on the taller obstacles will be harder for some kids. But again, your more advanced kids will not need this. And we also have this here for like harder wall stations. So again, boom, boom, boom. That's the lazy vault. Here, I'll do it on this side too. That's the lazy vault. Very fun. You don't have to have them do that, but your more advanced kids, you can have them try to combo all these skills together. Here we have our wall spin stations. So again, I want them to bunny hop. One hand here, jumping with their feet together. That's the first progression. And then from there, we can start to put our hands up a little bit higher. So I have this station once and twice, and then they can go through the warp wall.